So the question, why sharing in growth? Our business wasn't new to continuous improvement or people or process development. We founded our own in-house training school 20 years ago. We've adopted Lean and Six Sigma, created structured training roadmaps. We've done a lot of work around employee engagement over the years. But we felt we needed a catalyst, I guess, a catalyst of further improvement. In manufacturing, the minute you think you're good, you're in trouble. You've got to continue to improve. You've got to find ways to get better. What we really liked about Sharing in Growth was their practical approach to supporting our training and coaching needs. They didn't just talk about the theory, they were quite prepared to roll up their sleeves, work with our guys, work with our teams, be on the shop floor and make practical, measurable improvements.
From our perspective at Sharing in Growth, PP are an ideal case study of the tangible business benefits that can be delivered by an effective transformation programme. It has been a privilege to share this journey with them and to recognise their achievements during our All-Star event this year.
The recent Inspire Award from SIG during their All-Stars event is one that really validates the efforts of the company over the last 12 months. A culture of engagement, process efficiency and championing of positive change has never been stronger within PP.